Hey guys, welcome once again to Vape and Minuteman Reviews, and it is that time again, Vapebox time. So, see you right here after the intro. Hey guys, like I told you, it is time once again for Vapebox. March was March Mod Madness. So I know we got a mod in here, brand new for us to play around with. Now, excuse me, as usual, we're not going to open anything today. We'll just look at it, and see what it's about. And then when it comes time for the actual review, you'll see a review, both of the liquids as well as the actual hardware, the device that we're getting today. Now, I'm telling you right now, I'm way behind on reviews, so a lot of these reviews may not come for a while. But you know what? We've been talking well enough. Oh, wait! I didn't even remind you what Vapebox was. Vapebox is a monthly subscription service. Now, there are three options. This month, and this month alone, is March Mod Madness. If you get the Enthusiast box, which is $60, you'll get a mod, and you'll get at least 120 milliliters of e-liquid. And the best part about it is, when you get these e-liquids, you can actually choose the types of e-liquid you want. I haven't done my video about subscribing yet, but let me tell you something. I was subscribed to Vapebox, and I didn't get hardly any e-liquids that I actually liked. If you look at some of the ones I got in my January vape box, because I didn't review a lot from my February vape box, I liked 90% of what I got from my February or my January vape box, and pretty much it was the same in February. I liked a very high percent of them. So now, like I said, the Enthusiast box is $60. That's one piece, up to one or two pieces of hardware or accessories. Then on top of that, you get the 120 mils. Now, the step below that, which I believe is $32, you get at least 120 mils of e-liquid. The least expensive is, I believe, $25 or $22, and you get at least 90 mils of e-liquid. So no matter what, for any of this, you're getting a good bang for your buck. And I will include a link down here in the description. If you want to help out the channel, use that link, because not only will it help the channel, you'll actually get $15 in-store credit for Vapebox points. Because when you get the Vapebox and you review the liquid yourself online, just give it 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 stars, you actually get Vapebox points. And those points build up over time. What I'm going to do with my Vapebox points from when you guys, if you purchase, I'm going to use that to buy hardware for us to review on here. So that's an option for you guys to think of. Now let's go ahead and let's hop down, and we'll go, or, well, you know what? No, I'm going to open it right here, and then we'll hop down into the box. Okay, time for the knife. I love my nice trusty knife. Okay. Now, let's hop down bottom for the luck of the Irish. Okay. Now, we are in the vape box. As you see, just plain white box. Has the Vapebox symbol right there. The rest of it's just plain old box. Now, you're going to see it before I am. Ooh, I like that cover on there. And I love this Vapebox sticker. I might actually use that on something. Mod Madness. March 2018. I love that. No, you know what? I'm not going to show you what's inside because we'll talk about that later. Now, here on the back, this is one thing I do love about it. They give e-liquid warnings, hardware warnings, battery warnings, just for some. That way, you know, if you need to know what's going on, you can actually read the warnings. I love that about Vapebox, and very happy that they do that. But, okay, now let's hop in and... Ooh, I really like this. Cotton threads. It feels like it's that cotton that has the stuff on the outside to where it's easy to put it in. I'm going to have to look and see what in the world that is. It's got 2 pieces. So it's worth looking at. Okay. The hardware is right here, so I'm not hitting the hardware. Let's hit the liquids first, and we will open up this just so I can look at what the names and what the flavor profiles are. Okay, this is OKVM brand Hot Mocha, which, I mean, look at that label. That is a nice, classy label. It looks like a bear to me. And that's supposed to be a mocha frappe. And it's a 60-40 blend, 30 ml bottle. Hey, that's not a bad bottle, 30 mils. And I like that they're using unicorns. Okay. Now, ooh, we got another bottle from one of my favorites that I got in January. Masterpiece Vapors Picasso. Just look at that actual label. I love that. Now, Picasso is supposed to be a fluffy crepe with fresh blueberries. That actually sounds really good. Again, very good label, as you notice. Very simple. I do get these in 6 milligram. Okay, what is this one? Ooh, I love that. Kind of looks like anime, honestly. That's called Butter Brew. And that's by Yummy Vapor. And it's supposed to be a creamy butterscotch. And that is actually a 60 mil. So far I've gotten 2 30 mils and a 60 mil. So I really like that one. Now, there should be one more hidden in here. Yes. Now this one, I'm kind of on the fence about. Because I did cheat with this one. I went and found out that I was getting this. It's called Sour Rainbow Mouth Apple and Berry Sour Belt. Now, I like the label right here. I really do. I like this label. But they have a box that comes with this that I'm not the happiest with. But I'm judging them on this label. This label to me is actually very nice. Now, and I love this green. Ooh. The Sigeli Chaos Spectrum Chromatic Edition. Ooh, I gotta look at that. Let's put the box up. Or no, you know what? Why don't we keep it on the box? That way you can actually see it when I open it. I want to look at this mod, because this mod actually looks really good. Because it looks like it's a rainbow colored mod. I'm normally not a big one on rainbow colored mods, But this one just looks like it is sweet. I mean, I love the chaos here. I love the way this looks just on the box. Oh, wow. This mod, it's going to be a fingerprint magnet. I'm telling you that right now. I already know that. But the look of this mod, the video doesn't do it right. I mean, it looks very nice. Ooh, and that's a nice pleather on the back. Oh my goodness. Dual 18650. I thought it would be. Looks like it's going to be a very good mod. Definitely can't wait to try that one out and see what all it looks like. I mean, now let's look at how much we actually... Let's go up top and we'll talk about how much we saved by doing Vapebox. Okay, guys. Now I'm pointing out the menu. Okay. The cotton, they're just saying it's a free gift from Vapebox, so it's not even free. The Chaos Sigeli Chaos Spectrum 230 watt temp control box mod, $50. Now, that right there is only $10 away from how much I paid for the whole box. The Mocha Frappe at 30 mil, $11. The Appleberry and Sour Belts, $12. The 60 mil of Creamy Butterscotch, $22. And the Fluffy Crepe Picasso, $15. Now, everything added together was, we got 150 milliliters of e-liquid. For that was a total retail value with the hardware of $110. I paid $60 for this. Total savings of $50. So basically, in this box, I paid for the liquids and got the mod for free. In a sense. I mean, the value comes out to where I got the mod for free. Bottom line. Now, well, like I said, I am going to be vaping on all this, this week, probably during the weekend. Probably, I might even talk a little bit about it on the show Saturday night. But I have to say, it seems like it's a very good haul for this one. Now, like I said, I will provide you a link down in the description, and this deal where you get a free mod, or well, basically get a mod with your Vapebox, it'll be going till the end of March. But already I know they sent out regular Sigeli Chaoses. They sent out these Sigeli Chaos Spectrums. They sent out the Chaos Z's. So I already know some of the things they've sent out, and they're all well worth it. So if you want to get in on it, I will include a link down in the description so that you can get in on it. And all you have to do is, if you get it and then you don't get your $15 for me referring you, let me know. And I will contact Vapebox and tell them, hey, I referred somebody. Neither of us got our money. Can you take care of it? And they'll take care of it. Oh, this looks so nice. I'm actually going to have a review of the drop coming up next day or so. I got to record it tonight as well. But that about wraps it up, guys. As always, go out there, sign up for CASA. We do have to fight. Come over, join us at my Vaporium, because I'd love to be able to talk to you over there. And, hop in Discord. I'm always over in the Discord chat talking. I mean, I've got it on my computer right now. But, you know, as always, guys, we're going to end this like we always do. You got to fight for your right to vape. Yeah. See you out, guys.